Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to make a classic red crochet heart perfect as a charm for your bag, or as a cute accessory for your toys, especially for Valentine's Day. Here's what we'll need. A 4mm crochet hook, red yarn, weight 4, contrasting yarn. Let's get started. First, we'll create a magic ring. To do this, make an X on your 2 fingers with the yarn. Insert your hook under the first strand of the X. Grab the second strand and pull it through. Now, make 1 chain. This is called a slip knot, the start of all crocheting with a magic ring. Next, we'll crochet into the magic ring. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through to make a single crochet. Repeat this 5 times for a total of 5 single crochets in the ring. Once done, pull the tail to tighten the ring. Now, grab the contrasting yarn to mark the start of our rounds. For the second round, work 2 single crochets into each stitch around. This is called an increase. Continue until you've made 5 increases.
Souvenirs that memories keep, colors swirling all around. In every hue, love is found. Heartfelt crafts with threads align, a pattern of joy, a design so fine.
You'll now have 10 stitches. To make the heart, you'll need 2 identical pieces. You can crochet the second piece on your own by following the same steps, or rewind and follow along with me again. Now, let's join the 2 parts together. Begin by crocheting 10 single crochets around the first part, then continue with 10 single crochets on the second part.
Something sweet, a charm for your bag, a love so neat.
Stitches weaving magic in time, each loop a beat, a gentle line.
Yarn dances soft under the light, handmade love day and night. Colors swirling all around, in every hue love is found. Heartfelt crafts with threads aligned, a pattern of joy, a design so fine.
Let's make hearts tiny and grand.
This completes round 3. You'll start to see the heart shape forming. For round 4, crochet 1 single crochet into each stitch around, 20 single crochets in total.
Our fingers weave tales untold, in these heart stories unfold. Tiny treasures with meaning deep, souvenirs that memories keep.
To tidy up the tail ends, tie a knot with the tail ends of the first piece, then cut them off.
Heartfelt crafts with threads aligned, a pattern of joy, a design so fine.
Use a tapestry needle to close the hole by sewing through the front loops of the stitches. Secure the ends by weaving them through several stitches and trimming.
Souvenirs that memories keep. Colors swirling all around. In every hue love is found. Heartfelt crowns with threads aligned. A pattern of joy and design so fine. So fine.
Heart can be red, can be pink, can be green. Any color you love, let it be seen. Craft
Now let's continue with round 5. Work 2 single crochets, followed by an invisible decrease.
dreams start to unfold. Bright hues of love, stories untold.
Insert the hook under the front loop of the first stitch, then under the front loop of the second stitch, and crochet as usual.
Stitch by stitch, dreams start
Repeat this sequence 5 times. Single crochet, decrease.
turn, the threads intertwine, creating a charm that's truly divine. A rainbow heart for you and me, symbols of joy for the world to see. Hang it on your bag, share it with a friend. In netting a charmer, the messages blend. Soft to the touch, yet strong in its way. Carry the love through night and day. In every loop, a piece of
By now, your heart should be taking shape.
you
Remove the contrast yarn and stuff the heart with fiberfill or scrap yarn before the hole gets too small.
destiny. Warmth of your hand, stitch it with care.
Stuff it as firmly or lightly as you like.
Hearts of all shades, colors so new. Each one unique, just like you. Together we craft under morning skies. As sunbeams dance.
For the final rounds, work only decreases until the opening is too tight to continue.
A rainbow heart for you and me, symbols of joy for the world to see. Hang it on your back, share it with a friend. In netting a charmer, the messages blend. A rainbow heart for you and me, symbols of joy for the world to see. Hang it on your back, share it with a friend. In netting we color, the messages blend. Netting a charmer, the messages blend.
Cut the yarn, leaving a tail, and use a tapestry needle to close the hole. Pro tip: if the yarn doesn't go through the needle's eye, use a small piece of tape. Wrap the tape around the yarn's end, trim it into a triangle, and thread it through the needle with ease.
Crafted with yarn in the warmth of the sun. Crochet it with me, it's so much fun. Stitch by stitch, dreams start to unfold. Bright hues of love, stories untold. Twist and turn, the threads intertwine, creating a charm that's truly divine. A rainbow heart for you and me, symbols of joy for the
To close the hole, sew through the front loops of the remaining stitches. Pull tight and secure the end. Weave in the tail and trim. And there you have it, a perfectly shaped classic crochet heart.
soft to the touch, yet strong in its way. Carry the love through night and day. In every loop, a piece of my soul brightens your life, makes you feel whole. Patterns so wild, design so free. In this small heart, our destiny. The warmth of your hand, stitch it with care. Magic in the making, love in the air. Hearts of all shades, color to unfold. Bright hues of love, stories untold. Twist and turn, the threads intertwine, creating a charm that's truly divine.
You can use this heart as an accessory for small toys, like a cute bunny with soft arms to hold it. I have patterns for all these animals too. Thank you for watching. I also have a free video tutorial for this project. The trendy color heart. Check out the links below. Have a wonderful day and happy crocheting!